Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here kind of in Midtown Kansas City. This is a project that we did some peering work a few years ago on the other side of the house. They called us out here recently because they were having some foundation issues start to appear on the other side. So we are installing 4 King Pier 1s underneath the stone foundation to raise everything back to its correct level elevation. I want to take a moment here just to detail how we do this specifically with the stone foundation, because there is no footing like on a normal concrete house. If we were to just tunnel underneath that bottom row of stone, that stone's just going to fall right into the hole. It's going to mess up the existing foundation. So what we do, as you can see, we have a load-bearing steel plate that we get installed directly underneath that stone. And then, once everything is properly secured, we'll be able to start tunneling that dirt right here so we can place our other load-bearing steel plate in our King Pier and get everything raised back up. So with the King Pier 1, if you've seen any of our videos in the past, we will first pour 3 feet of high-strength concrete. That's going to be our platform that we install the plate and the pier on, and that's going to be. So we're going to finish getting everything dug out today. We'll be ready for that first pour of concrete later this afternoon, and then here the first half of this week we'll get the piers installed, final pour of concrete set, and we'll get everything backfilled nice and neat. So yeah, just a quick look here. It's about the first half of this wall on the side. You can start seeing where the cracks start. Everything on the back end is pretty much in good shape, so most of the cracking is occurring on this side. So we're going to get everything finished with the excavation today, the first pour of concrete, and then should be ready to start installing the piers. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.